Improper installation of baffle vents and blocked soffit vents are the leading causes of attic moisture, ice damming, and premature roof failure. Address the venting path before adding insulation. When installing attic baffle vents, place them at every rafter bay along the eaves, so they create an unobstructed channel from the soffit into the attic. A baffle is a thin, rigid or semi-rigid board or foam strip that holds insulation back from the roof deck and preserves an air channel that allows cold outside air to enter at the soffit and warm attic air to exit higher vents. Measure each rafter bay and cut baffles to fit snugly between framing members so there are no gaps that allow insulation to sag forward. Fasten baffles to the underside of the roof deck or to the top of the top plate using staples, screws, or approved adhesive, depending on the material. Use baffles made for the insulation type you install: cardboard or foam for loose fill, rigid plastic or recycled board for batt insulation, and ensure fire-rated products where codes require them. Maintain a minimum clear airflow path equal to at least 1 inch in narrow overhangs and larger where specified by local building codes. Use a pushrod or inspection camera from the soffit to verify a continuous channel. After baffles are installed, install insulation to the required thermal resistance without compressing it against the baffle. Compressing reduces performance and can push material forward to block the channel. Finally, confirm intake and exhaust balance by checking that soffit vents are free and that ridge, gable, or turbine vents provide adequate exhaust. A simple smoke pencil or incense stick held below the ridge vent on a windy day gives a quick visual confirmation of airflow. Common mistakes include cutting baffles too short or not fastening them, which allows insulation to migrate and close the channel. Solution: measure precisely, use full-length baffles, and secure them at multiple points so they remain rigid. Another frequent error is stuffing insulation directly into the soffit space or over the soffit vent openings, which blocks intake. Solution: leave a clear 2-inch minimum space above the soffit finish. Install vent baffles to hold insulation back, and use continuous soffit venting or vent chutes at each bay. A third issue is assuming ridge vents alone solve ventilation when intake is missing, causing negative performance and potential reverse airflow. Solution: ensure continuous intake venting at the soffit equal to or greater than ridge vent capacity, and perform a whole roof ventilation assessment before insulating. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local insulation and roofing contractors experienced in correct baffle and soffit vent installation, helping prevent the common failures described above. Contractors gain exposure to homeowners seeking qualified crews and leads for insulating and attic ventilation work.